Hi, Pre-First. Now that you know what adjectives are, I'm going to show you why they're so important when we are writing. So, this is a chapter from my newest All About an Animal book. It's the physical characteristics of the animal. And so far, this is what I have. Are black and white, and they have fur. They have a tail and 4 legs. They have 2 ears. Now, there are already 2 adjectives in here. Did you notice what they are? Black and white. Colors are adjectives. But with this paragraph, can you guess what my animal is? Black and white. They have fur, a tail, 4 legs, and 2 ears. I wrote a whole paragraph, but if I don't use adjectives, descriptive words, to tell me more about those nouns like fur, tail, legs, ears, then you're not really going to get a specific idea of what my animal looks like. Right now, it could be a zebra, a panda, even a skunk. So I need to make my writing more exciting and more descriptive so that I'm really describing my animal that I researched, not any other one. The way that we do that is by adding adjectives. So fur is a great fancy topic word about animals, but so many animals have fur, and it's not always the same. I'm going to add an adjective to describe the fur of my animal. And if I'm describing the word fur, then the adjective to describe it goes in front of it. So I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to add the adjective short. I'm going to add 2, smooth fur. Okay. So, are black and white, and they have short, smooth fur. Do you have any guesses now? I think I can do even better by adding a few more adjectives. They have a tail. Tail is a noun on the animal. And if I want to add a describing word or an adjective, it goes in front of the word. So I'm going to add right here the adjective long. Okay, so now you know it's a long tail and short, smooth fur. Do you have any guesses? Okay, legs is also a noun that I could describe, and so are ears. I'm going to add another adjective to talk about the ears because I think that that's what's going to set my animal apart. It's something that is distinct to this animal. So if I want to describe the word ears, I put the adjective in front of it. Pointed. Pointed ears. So, are black and white, and they have short, smooth fur. They have a long tail and 4 legs. They have 2 pointed ears. So, now do you have a guess? You're right, zebras. When I'm more descriptive by using adjectives, you can really imagine what my animal looks like instead of just getting this kind of general idea. So I added my adjectives when I was writing my paragraph, but the better thing to do would be add it right when you are taking notes about your animal. Instead of just writing down they have fur, while you're in the book, the expert book, look at their fur and add the adjectives there. Is their fur short and smooth, or is it long and fluffy? Is their tail long or short? Is it skinny? Is it wide and fat? Is it wide and flat like a beaver's? Are their legs long or short? Are their ears pointed or rounded? There are so many things that we can add into our notes to be more descriptive. Okay, so now I want you to make sure that you're using adjectives when you're researching your animals, and especially when you're writing your full sentences about them. On Seaside, you're going to share one of your pages of physical characteristics of one of the animals that you're writing about, and you're going to circle the adjectives so that your teacher can see. Off you go, writers.